What's the meaning of adverb? Adverb. 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 An adverb is a part of speech that describes or modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It typically provides information about how, when, where, why, or to what extent an action is performed or an attribute is possessed. For example, in the sentence, "The dog barks loudly," the adverb loudly modifies the verb barks and provides information about the manner in which the action is performed. Adverbs can also be used to create emphasis, clarify meaning, or express opinion. Overall, adverbs play an important role in enhancing the clarity and precision of language.